everyone, welcome back to the another video of Indus Academy. Friends, in the previous video we have learned about the VPS, and now in this video we are going to learn the technology behind this VPS, Visual Positioning Systems. How does it actually works? Friends, the use of smartphone is tremendously increased. Use of 5G, high-speed internet services, everything is increased. Nowadays, each and every app on your cell phone uses your internet. They having access to the biggest heart of your mobile is nothing but your camera. All the app, WhatsApp, Facebook, all the social messaging app, shopping app, all the utilities app, every app is having the access to your camera. So why not the Google Maps? Google Maps also, having access to your cameras. So whenever you just turn on your Google Maps, first it will navigate you. It will locate you on a certain location. Let's say you are at the airport. So it will locate you on the airport and it will turn on the camera automatically. And if you pinpoint your camera towards the different areas of the airport, it will show you all the augmented reality objects on your screen. So where is the check-in counter, where is the different food courts, food stalls available at the airport, check-in counters, baggage counters, everything is possible. So this is a next level navigation system implemented by the Google in the name of VPS, Visual Positioning Systems. Over here the positioning is indoors and you will be able to navigate indoors very easily by using the augmented reality, by using this visual signs which appear on your screen. So basically this is a next level navigation systems implemented by the Google. So friends, each and every camera on the mobile having certain amount of depth, it senses the depth sensor is there. So this depth sensor, it calculates the distance of the object you're pointing your camera at. It calculates the distance and it gives the information about the various products, various services available in that particular area. Basically, friends, this VPS is a combination of the data which is there on the cloud, data which is there on a Google server, machine learning, artificial intelligence, geospatial locations, and your camera. So basically, this is all about the VPS, Visual Positioning Systems. Friends, it is having variety of applications in near future. It will enhance your experience. Shopping experience will get enhanced. So navigating experience is going to enhance by using this VPS technology. Friends, what do you think about this particular technology? What will be the potential applications? Tell me in the comments. Also, friends, I think if this technology is being implemented in the drones, like the drones can be, it will be very game changing. Like drone can be used for drop shipping, Amazon courier services, pizza deliveries. Like it will be the self autonomous kind of drones. So tell me your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about this particular system, VPS? So I hope you like this particular video. If you have any queries, any doubts, please feel free to comment and please subscribe to my education channel, Engineers Academy. Thank you so much guys for watching this educational content.